We are Eugene and Ayana Williams here with New Life Fit, and we are super excited to come to you today for a special announcement. Save the date for July the 8th, 2021 at 8:30 p.m. We will be presenting a brain health, the Untold Truth Masterclass. And who is this class for? Anyone who has any type of inflammation. It could be heart disease, it could be diabetes, it could be anyone that have any conditions when it comes to mental illnesses. We're talking about an organ that weighs about 2 to 3 pounds. Don't seem like much, but it uses up to 20 to 30% of your body energy. So I know a lot of time, today we are categorized certain health conditions. If it's with your shoulder, it's a shoulder injury. It's something to do with your shoulder. If it's a heart, it's a heart issue. It's the feet, it's the feet. But we're talking about an organ that uses up to 20 to 30% of your entire body. So if you have any type of inflammation inside of your body, you need to be tuning in. If you're a caregiver, this information that we're going to be covering is going to be life-changing. You can bless someone. If you have a brain, come on, we're talking about an organ that uses up to 20 to 30% of your body energy. We're going to be going in depth, in deep, helping us understand the functionality for our overall health.
Absolutely. And some of the topics that we're going to be talking about when it comes to your brain health and mental illnesses as well as behavior, we're going to be talking about nutrients, nutrition, and especially one of the biggest nutrients are what we like to call the ultimate nutrient, which is water. Hydration is so important when it comes to our brain health, and we're going to be diving deep into some things that, guess what, not many people are talking about in mainstream media. I'm telling you, you're going to be in for a treat.
As it relates to mental health, mental illnesses, I know a lot of people are struggling or having challenges with certain conditions. I like to quote Dr. Amen, who has a book out called The End of Mental Illnesses, where he likes to look at as the brain itself. And I know a lot of times people don't even like to look at certain conditions. They don't even want to get tested for Alzheimer's because in the past there were no hope. But now so many new studies are coming out in the holistic community, how people is getting conditions are getting reversed, are getting better. You can prevent some of these diseases. So we're going to be looking at these mental illnesses and look at the mental diseases as it relates to our brain.
All right, and again, guys, it's going to be so much information. I'm telling you guys that you want to tune in when we're talking about detoxification and how it relates to your brain, making sure we get those toxins out and some ways that you can do that, right? How actually detoxification and the brain has a lot to do with the lymphatic system. I am telling you, you want to tune in.
Talking about health conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes. I mean, if you know anyone that have these kind of conditions, you want to be logging in, because we at New Life Fit likes to talk a lot about preventive care. It's not deal with this one thing and then wait 10 years later deal with another thing. No. We want to look at things that occur 20, 30, 40, 50 years from now. And these conditions, as it relates to these common diseases that a lot of people is having challenges with today, we're going to give you a brand new perspective that is pretty much being untold in the mainstream media.
Yes, there are a lot of different new findings out there, guys, when it comes down to brain health and mental health, guys. A lot. And we are going to dwell as much as possible as we can and give you guys as much information as we possibly can within that hour and a half to make sure that you're empowered to go out there and make a difference in your life. We're going to be talking about some exercises that you can do. I know we've heard about crossword puzzles and doing different word searches. It's great. Those are great. But oh my goodness, guys, there are certain exercises that you can do that will actually help with the neuron, the transmission of information and how fast it is transferred throughout your body. Yes, we are going to be giving you guys exercises when it comes to that, because not many people are talking about how to exercise your brain, right? Most of the time we're talking about how to exercise our body, which is also great for brain health as well. But we're going to dwell, guys, we're going to go deep into that. And guys, you have to, again, I know I keep saying this, but you got to tune in. Oh my goodness.
And lastly, we're going to talk about aging. Actually, we're going to talk about a lot of topics, but this is to name a couple points here. We're going to talk about aging, because most people look at these kind of conditions, you know, like Alzheimer's and dementia and some of these mental diseases as something that occurs when people get a lot older. It's like one of the things that people expect when they do get older. It comes with old age. But no. There's new findings, new studies out from people who live way over 100 years old. That comes to find out they have no traces of Alzheimer's. And if you reverse that back to younger people today in certain countries like America, we are finding that a lot of younger adults, even children, has been coming back to having brain damage. And we're going to go in a lot more detail as far as our brain health, helping you realize that there is hope. There is hope in spite of the diagnosis, the conditions people may have seen or had in their family. This is a very dear topic, because I know you all know, if anyone who have dealt with a condition like this or a family member, it's not easy to watch them, go down this route. But we come in to empower you. We are excited about this particular master class.
Absolutely. So guys, please join in. And I'm telling you, you're going to want to tune in. Now, there are going to be freebies when it comes down to brain health that we're going to be giving away there. We're also going to make sure, guys, we're not just going to give you a whole bunch of information, but we are going to give you ways to apply this information to your life. Simple techniques of things that you can do on a daily basis to actually apply the things that we're going to be presenting. So we hope to see you on July the 8th at 8:30 p.m. See you then.